Education is not the amount of information that is put in the human brain. It must have man making, character making, and life building accumulation of ideas. Then only by means of that education something can be gained in the world. Most probably, students are totally ignorant about.
So hello and welcome to everyone. So we will discuss introductory grammar portion. So there are 8 parts of speech of grammar portion: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, so let's take them one by one. Okay, let's take them one by one. So first, noun is a person, place or thing, and noun is a naming word. Okay, so kinds of a noun: pronoun, proper, common, collective, material, abstract, countable, uncountable. Okay, right? So proper noun, the name of a particular person or thing, that is proper noun. Examples: Bhopal, the Ganga, Ram, Sita, Taj Mahal. Okay, so many examples of proper noun. And common noun, is a given to people, place or thing of the same kind of noun. Okay, that is called common noun. Boy, girl, teacher. Okay, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, teacher, boy, girl, teacher, etc. Society, like this. Okay, and collective noun that stand for a number of things considered as a one is called one thing. Okay, is a group of, we can say that group of. Okay, class, kettle, society, company, people, crowd. Material noun, generally other things can be made from these other things we can made, that is material noun. Gold, silver, stone, marble, wool, iron. So many examples of material noun. Abstract noun, the words used to denote an action, quality, or state mind, that is abstract noun. Fear, love, anger, speed, kindness, help, abstract noun. And countable noun, we can easily count, that is countable noun, right? Boy, class. Okay, uncountable noun, ram, gold, kind, we cannot count, that is uncountable nouns. And compound noun, boy, compound noun, boy, boyfriend. Okay, boyfriends, travel agendas, men, women. And changing gender, according to changing gender gender, masculine gender, feminine gender, like masculine gender and feminine gender. So masculine gender, land, lord. Feminine, lane, lady, peacock. Feminine, milkman, milkmaid, hero, heroine. Widow, bridegroom, bride, he got, she got. So many changing of gender, according to changing of gender. And pronoun is a word used place of noun, that is pronoun. So we will understand the kinds of pronoun. Okay, one: personal pronoun, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, distributive, indefinite, empathetic, reciprocal, exclamatory. So 10 types of pronouns. So we will understand one by one. Personal pronoun, words related to persons. Okay, words related to person, that is personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, you, that is personal pronoun. First person, second person, and third person. Okay, first person, second person, and third person, right? So nominative case, I means मैं, we, हम. Objective case, nominative case, objective case, possessive case, and reflexive pronoun. I, me, मुझे, my, मेरा, mine, मेरा, myself, we, हम, us, हमें, our, हमारा, ours, हमारा, ourselves. Second person, you, आपको, तुझे, तुम्हें. योर, तुम्हारा, आपका. योर्स, तुम्हारा, आपका, राइट? योर सेल्फ. थर्ड पर्सन, ही, सी, इट, दे. थर्ड पर्सन, ही, सी, इट, देम. थर्ड पर्सन, ही, सी. थर्ड पर्सन, ही, सी, इट, देम. ही, सी, इट, दे. ही, सी, इट, दे, ही, हिम, सी, हर, इट, दे, वे, देम, उन्हें. हिज, हिम, हिज, हर, हर्स. इट्स, उसका. देम, देयर्स, उनका. And second, reflexive pronoun. Okay, reflexive pronoun means we emphasize. Okay, we emphasize, right? We emphasize something, that is reflexive pronoun. The boys dressed themselves. Okay, the boys dressed themselves. He helped himself. Personal pronoun self slash reflexive pronoun. So we convert, we will make reflexive pronoun. Third one, demonstrative pronoun. The words that are used to point out, point out. Okay, that is demonstrative pronoun. Point it out, point out. Right. These, that. Demonstrative, these, that, these, those, such. And interrogative pronoun, we ask question, direct question. Okay, that is interrogative pronoun. What, who, whose, which, whom. Relative pronoun means so the join. So the joins an adjective relative clauses another clauses is called relative pronoun. The train which comes from Mumbai is late. This is the house that Ram built. This is the man whose son ran away. Distributive pronoun, the word which refers to person or thing one at a time is called distributive pronoun. Each of the student gets a prize. Each of the students get a prize. Neither of the boys is clever. Either of these buses goes to behind. Indefinite. So the uncertainty. Okay, all, many, and some. All, many, and some. Empathetic pronoun, emphasize. Okay, something or anyone. Okay, he himself did this work. ने स्वयं अपना कार्य कर चुका है. ठीक है, he did this work himself. अपने आप में. myself saved him from danger. अपने आप में मैं अपने डेंजर को सेव कर चुका हूँ. राइट. Reciprocal means one another, each other and one another. Both the boys helped each other. Boys are playing with one another. Exclamatory pronoun, what he has failed. What he was drowned in the river. Exclamatory means sudden feeling, right? That is exclamatory pronoun. Adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. Add something more to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Quality. Adjective Adjective, quality, quantity, number, interrogative, possessive, proper, indefinite, gradable, and non-gradable adjective. Quality, so the quality, person or thing. So the quality, person or thing. Right. Indore is a large city and you are an honest man. This is a good school. Quantity, so the quantity, that is quantity. My mother ate some rice. I have enough money. They have no sense. The doctor has lost all his wealth. We did not move any further. Number, so the number, person or thing, that is number. She has 100 rupees in her purse. We had been taught many lessons. Most students like picture. Now Monday is the second day of the week. The thief stole 2 crores. Demonstrative. So the points out. Demonstrative means point out. You had such thing. That girl is stronger than you. Those boys are not good. Interrogative means used as a question words and followed by noun. Right. Whose pen is this? Okay, whose pen is this? Which book do you want? Whose shoes are you wearing? What paper do you read? And distributive means words refers to each one of two or more person thing taken single or is called distributive. Okay, each boy has to sign this paper. Every nation must work for peace. Each group is follow its leader. Either side may win. Possessive means so the relation or possession. This is my pencil. For example, this is my pencil, which is your house. The dog hurt its leg. Proper noun means India, Indian, America, American, Japan, Japanese, England, English, and Poland, Polish. Indefinite adjective, some, any, all. Some boys are intelligent, any book will do. And gradable adjective. Okay, good, better, best. Tall, better, gradable, good, better, best means a degree. We can say that degree, right? Good, better, best. Taller, tallest. Clarification, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, 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 more beautiful, and most beautiful. Beautiful, most beautiful, and more beautiful. Non-gradable adjective means round, perfect, square, complete, solid, wrong, entire, universal, daily, monthly, golden. And verb, word which make statement about person, place, or thing. Okay, and give commands known as verb, and ask question and ask questions give commands or known as verb. Ordinary verb, auxiliary verb, other classification. Let's we will elaborate some function. Transitive, intransitive, finite, and non-finite verb. Verb means regular verb, irregular verb. Regular verb, ordinary verb means regular verb, irregular verb. Regular and irregular. Inflection for both past and past participle. Both past and past participle. Call, called, called. Past, past, past. Irregular verb means go, went, gone. Cut, cut, cut. And auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. So primary auxiliary verb be, is, am, or, was, were, do, did, does, has, have, had. Modal auxiliary verb can, could, may, might. And transitive verb. Okay, transitive verb requires an object. Okay, transitive verb requires an object to complete its sense. Ram ate mango. Ram ate a mango. Ram ate a mango. Intransitive verb, and verb does not require any object. That is intransitive verb. She runs. Ram swims. Ram swims. And finite verb, subject or number. According to we will use subject or number we will use according to we should use according to subject or number. Subject, number, or person. I am go. I am go. I am. She is. They are. We go. She goes. Non-finite verb, Ram is dancing. Non-finite verb, Ram is dancing. I am dancing. You are dancing, etc. Non-finite verb. And auxiliary verb means there are three types of non-finite verbs. Okay, there are three types of non-auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, modern grammar. So 24 auxiliary verbs like am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had, will, shall, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. So finite verb, present, common, plural. Finite verb, present, go, play, write, come, etc. Person, singular, goes. Person, whenever person singular, so we will use goes, plays, writes, and comes. Past, went, played, wrote, came. Non-finite verb, participle, present tense, going, playing, writing, coming. Going, playing, 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 past, gone, played, written, come. Okay, and in infinitive means to go. Infinitive means to go, to go, to play, to and to write. Like that is infinitive verb. So three forms of verb you know very well. So adverb. Adverb is a word which modifies or adds something to the meaning of verb. Add to the something the meaning of the verb, that is adjective. Another adverb of any other parts of speech except or apart from noun or pronoun. So let's so that is adverb. So we will understand or we will understand some functions of adverb. So kinds of adverb: time, place, frequency, manner, degree, interrogative, relative. So let's we will understand one by one of adverb. Adverb, time. Time first. Time. Adverb of time. Time. Adverb of time. Now. Now. Daily. Daily. Daily and already. Already. Now daily already. Time. Okay, so we sell, for example, daily we sell now begin to work. He comes here daily. He comes here daily. Already Ram had spoken to Ravan already. And second, place. So daily, now, daily, already. Place. Adverb of place. Here, there, in, out, along. Here, here, there, in, and out, along. Stand here. Okay, stand here. Go there. Come in. My brother in, out. I walked along. And frequency. Frequency once, seldom, again, always, once. So I have told you once. I have told you once. He seldom comes here. The man called again. I always try to do my best. I always try to my best. I have not seen him once. Frequency. I have told you once. I have told you once. He seldom comes here. The man called again. The man called again. I always try to do my best. I always try to do my best. I have not seen him once. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner means I read cleverly, hard, soundly, bravely. Adverb of manner. I read cleverly, clearly. Sorry, I read clearly. And the boy worked hard. You slept soundly. The Hindus fought bravely. Adverb of degree. Degree means you show the degree. You are too careless to degree fully enough, so partially. So you are too careless. My father is fully prepared. It is good enough for my purpose. I am so glad. She is a partially right. Interrogative. Adverb of interrogative. Adverb used for asking questions are called the interrogative. Where is Sam? Where is Sam? When do you get up? At what o'clock do you go to school? Why did you laugh at me? How many times did I warn you? Relative means join two clauses. Okay, relative means join two clauses. Okay, relative means join two clauses. I know the place where she was born. That is the reason. That is the reason why he came yesterday. Right, students should be familiar with the following adverb of time. Adverb of time. Adverb of time. Adverb of place. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of manner. Degree. Interrogative. Relative. So students should be familiar with the following adverbs already. Time, now, soon, uh, still, then, and at. Adverb of place. By, near, here, there, and up. Frequency. Always, never, sometime, often, once, twice. Manner. Manner means fairly, rather, hardly, quite, very, too. Adverb of manner. Degree. And adverb of degree. Fairly, rather, hardly, quite, very, halt, very, and too. Adverb of manner. Well, quickly, hard, fast. Relatives. Relative. When, where, why. Interrogative. Interrogative. When, where, why. Sentence of adverb. Certainly, surely, luckily, definitely. Preposition. Word which place before noun and show the relation between person or thing. That is preposition. Okay, some preposition. Single word. One, in, one, two, for, it, from, out, after, over, under, of, up, and down. Compound preposition like compound preposition. About, above, along, across, beside, beneath, into, outside, outside, and within. So the relation. A simple preposition. Simple preposition means in, on, to, for, it, from, after, over, under, of, up, and down. Compound preposition. About, above, along, across, beside, beneath, into, outside, within. Compound preposition: above, about, along, across, beside, beneath, into, outside, within. Phrases preposition means according to, according to, in order to, for the sake of, instead of, in front of, along with, because of, in case of. So many phrases preposition of time means so the time, like 8. I get up at 6 o'clock daily. On Monday, on 25th May, Ram came here on Saturday, on 1st of April 2024. In means use of time. In the last week, in June, in summer, in 1942, in 40 years, Gandhiji was born in 1869. Before use, before March, before 7 o'clock, before complete this work, before 3rd July. After Christmas, after summer, after vacation, after thereafter is holidays. From है ना, 1st July, from next April. Guests are living here, some from the last Sunday. Conjunction is joining words. Kinds of conjunction: coordinate and subordinate. Joining words, right? Sohan is poor but honest. So but is conjunction, right? So coordinate conjunction: it joins together clauses equal rank. And but, for, or, nor, either or, not neither nor. Subordinate it joins a clauses. Subordinate conjunction: it joins a clauses to another one, which is depends for the completion of its meaning. That, if. Subordinate conjunction: after, before, though, so that. Coordinate conjunction, right? And last and final part, interjection express some sudden feelings. So many interjection you have to remember: joy, hooray, surprise, what, creep, alas. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. Alas, I missed the train. Bravo, you have done it well. Bravo, you have done it well. You have done it well. You have done it well. What? What? How can this happen? What? How can is this happen? Grief, dukh. So we will finish here only, and we will meet next video. So bye bye. So hello and welcome to everyone. So we will learn free vocabulary. So let's get started. Shifted means put through. Astounded means highly surprised. Lima beans means grown in tropical America. Celery means a vegetable with a long pale green stems. Mazed means boiled and crazy. Mazed means boiled and crazy. Deserted means sweet dish. Hugged means embrace. Eventually means ultimately. Got used to, became habitual. Did not mind means didn't object. Stupid means foolish. Murk. Rare means uncommon. Emphasis means stress. Defending means supporting. Odd means strange. Tiptoed means went on toe. Pretend means showing off. Crouching means bending over. Staring means looking as a stretch. Bounced, jump. Gingerly, hesitating and fear. Plump means round. Chopped means tore. Heave means lift. Cane means tin. Maternity means during pregnancy. Maternity. Smoke means loose shirt. Stroking means thumbing. Stroking means thumbing. Vibrated, moved rapidly to and fro. Spunk. Spunk means beat, pitai. Weariness means tiredness. Weariness means tiredness. Labor. Labor means pain during childbirth. Cage. Cage means wage. Moldings means decorative lines. Molding means decorative lines. Tan. Tan means leather. Ivory. Ivory means hard and smooth. Withdrawn. Withdrawn means lost to himself. Defiant means who openly disobey. Occasional means off and on. Off and on. Rustling means sound of leaves. Tentatively. Tentatively means cautiously. सतर्कता से. Screen means shelter to hide. Startled means suddenly surprised. Mind. Mind means be careful. Crab apples means wild apples. Windfall means fruit fallen on the ground due to wind. Trip. Trip means to hit something with foot. Empty means deserted. Panic. Panic means alarm. On my account. On my account means due to me. मेरे कारण. On my account due to me. मेरे कारण. Leads. Voice. Scramp. To steal fruit. Pause. Pause means stop. Pretend. Show up terrible. Fearful. Ugliest. Most ugly or dirty. So hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn free vocabularies. Okay, so let's get started. Nap. First word, nap. What is mean nap? Nap means a short sleep. झपकी लेना. Custom. Custom means practice, रिवाज. Slight. Slight means a little, थोड़ा. Variation. Variation means difference, अंतर. Basic. Basic means fundamental, मूलभूत. Basic means fundamental, मूलभूत. Right. Tale. Tale means story, कहानी. Creature. Creature means living being. Creature means living being. Squirrel. A rodent with a bushy tail living in trees. Gilhari. Gilhari. Chipmunk. Chipmunk means Northern American ground squirrel. Chipmunk means Northern ground American squirrel. Wizard. Wizard means magician, जादूगर. Performed. Performed. What does mean perform? Means split किया. Okay. Magic spell. Magic spell means magic formula. Magic formula. Okay, magic spell means magic formula. Demanding. What is mean demanding? Means asking for. मांग करते हुए. Penis. Penis means smallest coins. Okay, penis means smallest coins. Directing. What is mean directing? Means showing the direction. Okay, showing the direction means directing. Okay, just means exit. Thick. Super. One word, super means last major meat of the day. Scheme. What is mean? Scheme means plan, योजना. Fatiguing means tiring, थकाने वाला. Right means customary observations. Futile means useless. Okay, futile means useless. Bump means bounce, उछलती है. Bump, bouncer. Shifting means passing through. Drawn means pulled down. Okay, खींचा हुआ. Drawn means pulled down, खींचा हुआ. Shades means screens from light curtain, रोशनी के बचाव के आवरण. फैंटास्टिक मीन्स एक्सीलेंट, बहुत अच्छा। इन्फेंट मीन्स बेबी, स्क्वेज्ड मीन कॉम्प्रेस्ड, ओके, दबावी। फर्मली मीन्स विथ कन्विक्शन, मजबूती से। स्कंक स्कंक मीन्स द केट साइज्ड फिश ईटिंग mammal that emits a very bad smell. Momentarily means for a moment. Steered means aroused, उत्तेजित कर देना, steered means उत्तेजित कर देना। Creative means that creates things, रचनात्मक, that create things। Enthusiasm means excitement, जोश। Tiny means small। Solemnly means seriously, गंभीरता से। Foreseen means before seen, पहले से ही देखा हुआ, foreseen। Jest means gesto। Humiliation means insults, अपमान। Stinky means that smells bad, बदबूदार। Dropped means लटका हुआ, ओके, dropped means लटका हुआ, hung। ट्रेस्ड मीन्स कॉपी, इमिटेटिंग, नकल करना, ओके। फोर फिंगर मीन्स फिंगर टैक्स टू द थम। कोर्स मीन्स पाथ, ट्रिक। फैंटेली, व्हाट इज मीन फैंटेली मीन्स a low voice, okay, faintly means a very low voice। roughened means not sweet। harsh means beside, by the side, बगल में, okay, harsh means very bad sound, कर्कश। beside means by the side, what does mean beside mean by the side, okay। tug means pulled hard, जोर से खींचना। hurry on means make hasty, जल्दी। scraped means made a grating noise। tip top means on the top, शिखर। enormous means a very big, huge। shouted means cried, okay, चिल्लाया। spilled means fell, गिर गया। relapsed means sunk again into। face means condition, stage। spider means small creatures। bugs means small insects found in beds। insisted means repeatedly demanded। sly means clever। curtly means briefly, narrative। what does mean narrative means tale, कहानी। swamp means marshy land, दलदल। creek means a little river। pretty soon means the quite soon। raped means knocked। cleansed means lost in। infantile means of a baby, बच्चे की। infantile of a baby। thrill means excitement, joy, उत्तेजना। pointed means sharpened to a point, नोकदार। white is means what is। white is means what is। watcher want, okay, watcher want। what do you want, watcher want means what do you want, okay, watcher want means what do you want, क्या चाहते हो, है ना। awful means terrible, भयानक। favorite means which is liked, पसंदा। scrounging means क्रॉसिंग, कुचलते हुए। winning means crying and weeping। interval Interval means pause, viram. Pause means viram. So we will finish here only, and do subscribe and like my video and for upcoming videos. So we will meet next video. Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn adjective. Okay, kriya visheshan. So let's get started. uh, firstly First we will understand what is adjective. Okay, it's most important कि you know first definition. What is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. What? Noun and pronoun, and adds something more to the meaning of noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. Okay, so adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun, adds something more to the meaning of noun and pronoun, that is called adjective. And we will understand kinds of adjective. Okay, how many types of adjective? Okay, the word that shows the kind of quality a person think. So what quality? Person and think. Three main important word: quality, person and think. Okay, quality, person and things is called an adjective of quality. Like, for example, Indore is a large city. What? Large. Indore, what type of city? Large city. You are an honest man. Which type of man? Honest. Okay, this is a good school. School, which type of school? Good school. Okay, so first adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality, adjective of quality. And second, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity shows the quantity of thing, quantity of thing, that is called adjective. Adjective of quantity. My mother ate some rice. What? Rice. Some quantity. I have enough money. I have enough money. I have enough money. Enough is so the quantity. They The doctor has lost all his wealth. Wealth. All. Okay. All means all, complete. His wealth lost. Adjective of number. Adjective of number: many persons or things. Okay, many persons or thing. All right, how many persons or mint is called the adjective of number. She has a 100 rupees in her purse. 100 is number. Most students like picture. Most students like picture. So most is what? Number. We had been taught many lessons. Okay, we had been taught many lessons. So many is a number. And demonstrative adjective points out. Okay, demonstrative adjective: words that show or points which person or thing is meant is called a demonstrative adjective. Okay, you had such things. Okay, such, demonstrative. This is the end. Okay, and those boys are not good. Those, demonstrative. Interrogative adjectives. Okay, interrogative adjective means ask question. Whose pen is this? Whose what? Interrogative question. Which book do you want? Distributive adjective: one of two or more person. One of two or more person, that is called distributive adjective. Let's look at some example distributive adjective. Each boy. Each what? distributive. Boy has to shine or intelligent. Okay, every nation must work for peace. Every possessive adjective show relations. Okay, possessive adjective show the relation. Okay, let's look at some example. This is my pencil. This, which is your house, which is your house. Proper adjective. Okay, proper adjective like proper noun. Okay, proper adjective we will we can say that proper noun. India, Indian. American, America. Indefinite adjective means uncertainty. Some boys are intelligent. Okay, some. Indefinite. Any book will do. Any. Indefinite. Okay, so how many tops? Let's we will quickly revise what we have learned. Okay, so adjective is a word qualifies noun or pronoun. Okay, adjective is qualifies nouns and pronoun. It's add something more to the meaning of noun and pronoun. Kinds of adjective. Quality. Quality means word that shows the kind quality a person thing is called adjective of quality. Indoor is a large city. You are an honest man. This is a good school. Okay, adjective of quantity. Show the quantity. My mother ate some rice. I have enough money. They have no sense. Okay, adjective of number. Show the number. Person or things. She has a 100 rupees in her purse. We had been taught many lessons. Most students like picture. Okay, Monday is the second day of the week. Demonstrative. Show the point outs. Okay, you had such things. This is the end. That girl is stronger than you. Those boys are not good. And interrogative is we will ask question. Okay, that is interrogative adjective. Whose pen is this? Which book do you want? Whose shoes are you wearing? What paper do you read? Distributive words refer to each one of two or more person or thing taken uh, taken. Okay, and are called the distributive adjectives. Okay, each boss has signed the this paper. Each group is follow its leader. Every nation must work for peace. Either side may win. The teacher agreed with neither side. Possessive. So the possession. This is my pencil. Which is your house? And the dog hurt its leg. Proper adjective. India. Make the proper noun. Okay, so India, Indian. America, American. Japan, Japanese. Poland, Polish. Indefinite. So the uncertainty. That is indefinite adjective. So how many types of adjective? Kinds of adjective? 9. So you have to remember, and let's we will finish here, and do subscribe and like for upcoming many more videos. Okay, so we will meet next video.